Hi, want to know how to set mobile data limit on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named SIM cards and mobile networks. Click on it, and here we would need to scroll down until you'll find this tab named Carrier Plan Settings. So click on it, and here choose the SIM card from which you're usually using the mobile data. So in my case, this is this one, and as you can see here, we can see statistics of data usage. Here we can also notice this button which says set data usage limit. So let's click on it, and the first thing that we need to do here is monthly data limit. Click on this tab, and here enter your limit that you would like to set. So for example, I'll enter 55 gigabytes and then click OK. As a next step here, you would need to choose when data plan is used up, what will happen. Currently we have option warn and turn off mobile data, but we also got just show warning. Here we also got additional settings, which is warning. You can see that we will get a warning when 80% of our plan will be used. So here we also got usage reset date. So by clicking on it, we can change this number or date to whichever you would like to. Here we click OK, and this is it. Now we got the limit on our mobile data. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.